Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing access. Check the match's scheduled start in your local time so you don't miss the toss. Next, select the official broadcaster or streaming platform that holds rights, because only licensed streams are reliable and legal. Sign into your account or subscribe now, make sure payment clears, and that your device supports the app. Once done, test basic playback on a short clip to confirm video works and resolution options appear as expected. Now prepare your viewing device and network for long play. You want steady throughput, so plug into Ethernet or position close to a 5 GHz router. This reduces buffering during long sessions. Open the app and choose HD or adaptive streaming. Higher bitrate improves clarity but needs more bandwidth. If casting to a TV, connect and test sound synchronization beforehand. Finally, clear background apps and updates. This frees CPU and reduces the risk of interruption. You should join the stream 10 to 15 minutes early to catch per-game checks and to ensure the feed is live. Keep an alternate device or secondary broadcaster ready in case one stream fails. Redundancy solves many last-minute problems. If playback stutters or drops, first restart the app, then switch to Ethernet or a different Wi-Fi band, and finally lower quality to maintain continuous viewing. If all else fails, relaunch the device. That often clears stubborn network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.